Greetings and salutations. Once again, the professor is back with another director's overview. So, this time we'll be looking at start sleeping. Let's jump right into it.
Checking in. I'm on location. Okay.
So this is a continuation from Bubbles being overseas.
How me I got assist her?
No, I will have to prepare Bubbles for that journey. This is how you will assist her.
No. Let us pause for the cause. For those who don't know, let me explain Shepard's character from a drama perspective. Shepard's character is what we call a farcical character. When you're doing drama and somebody tell you about a farce, it's a kind of over-the-top character. And some people will realize that, even though a lot of people realize that Bartender has gotten to be a strong drama, is more drama. But when we're injecting the comedic element, we have different people who represent different types of comedy. So when you look at some of the things that Tonya does, it's comedic, but it is not in a farcical way. But when you look at Shepard's style of comedy is more farcical. You can look it up. See? And if you understand what a farce is, just make a comment and let me know so I understand what farce is. Alright? Let's continue.
That's a list of items that she will need for me to assist her.
Shepherd, you sure Bubbles on him something here?
That is not your business. I give it to you to do. It is for you to do.
I'll supper, Jane.
And based on who Shepard is, Shepard drive fear.
But before you do,
everybody will encounter, and it's a respectable kind of fear.
you will learn what is happening all by and by. Start packing.
No, I think this is the first time I ever seen Shepard a drink a dragon.
Make sure, sir, the 15 pound of salt pork and the pan it.
Have you ever seen Shepard drink in this series? And if you remember seeing Shepard drink, just hit up in the comments and tell me what is a Shepard drink in terms of all liquor.
Put you one back of them in sure for me. Get the top shelf.
So you notice Tonya's action here is a kind of reluctant movement
Remember the sugar and the rice over there.
because she fears Shepard. So if you notice as the actors go along, they understand what kind of energy to give, what kind of
Two buck line.
characterization they should give in the moments where they play.
As a matter of fact, make it 3. Aisle is very important.
Pause for the cause. Tell me if you did understand what Shepard mean when him say aisle is very important. Because I know maybe it go over some people's head. Some people laugh at it, but them don't understand. What Shepard mean when Shepard say aisle is very important. Let's continue.
I say drink dragon, man.
How will you drink it?
I'm gonna drink dragon.
Well done, eager and faithful servant. You know, I think, Tonya, you're going to be a perfect asset to Bubbles one of these days. Well, let me go call the taxi. Cut Mildred up the road there, wait for me.
I feel like,
Sorry.
a con shepherd con Tonya and Righteous are just forget things, and Bubbles not really
When the
need
box are
these
heavy.
things.
I wonder if the pork make it so heavy.
Shepherd,
Eh?
you know the mama said she didn't want to come asleep. Was it say she had to think about it?
Eh? But you look tired though, Tonya.
Notice
You
how
may
this
should
is
have started
played.
sleep now.
What made that moment very strong is the fact that I don't think the audience realized that when Shepherd moved, she would actually be sleeping. Shepherd said, I think maybe you should have started sleeping now. But based on how the directions went, them put Shepherd directly in front of her. Him said the line, then him walk away. Then, when we see the presentation, Tonya is there sleeping. Element of surprise and extremely funny. We want to think about this scene. Was it well played? We want to think about the chemistry between Tonya and Shepherd. Tell me in the comment section below. Until the next director's overview, see you on the next side. Blessed.